Today's video will be a little bit simple than usual. I'm just gonna try to perform a battery swap for this vintage GS-300 G-Shock watch, currently being replaced by the G-Steel, but back then it was called the G's, made for business wear, something that is more of a slick style watches, but still it is a G-Shock. So let's begin. Here is where we are right now. I already removed all these exterior parts, which I'm gonna clean up afterwards. Let's quickly assess the situation before I proceed. So this is the movement. Seems to me similar to those on the AW570, the vintage Modman or Gaussman G-Shock watch, where it uses two battery, 920 in this case and 626, and it seems to me like there are already some battery leaking on this area, not so much on this side because I can't see it, at least from without disassembling it. So I want to try to add in a battery first and see if this watch will lights up or not, and then we'll move on from there. Alright, SR626 by Sony. Let's plug this thing in just like that, and another one over here, clip them. Anyway, just gonna leave it there, and there we go, the watch lights up. So this is the good news, really good news. I'm very nervous. Normally watch that uses two battery like this would just end up dead over time, so in my case it still works. So let's check the buttons. So dual mode, alarm, we have hand setting. So let's go to hand setting, because normally even when the digital display works, the analog parts not necessarily could do the same. So I'm gonna try to move the hands Oh, there we go. The minutes hand still move, and the hour hands, yeah, yep, seems to me like it is following it. Alright, so both parts still works. And do we have any form of backlighting at all though? The light button will be this one at the bottom, this one right here. So okay, apparently the EL backlighting didn't work anymore, so I'm guessing the leak might already go somewhere in there and block the connections. Some cleanup need to be done, but I didn't expect much. I mean, I already used to this kind of movement. It is similar to the G-300 series G-Shock watch we have today, where the digital power glows, and that's pretty much it. There are no LED backlighting, yeah, at all on the side, so just EL. Let's see if I could take this thing in. Off the side real quick. What this is basically water and dishwashing soap. I'm gonna put in the screws one. If you have a lot of cash with G-Shock watch, do invest in one of these. It only costs about 20 to 30 bucks. It's really not that expensive, and it could do a lot of things and makes the job so much easier. So before I end the video, obviously shout out to Buy Japan for making this video possible. Buy Japan is a proxy shopping service website originated in Japan. So if you want to buy any new models, vintage ones, used ones, spare parts, or things like this that is incredibly hard to get elsewhere, use Buy Japan for that. Go to the link down in the description box, and if this is your first time, you also earn an extra 1,000 yen discount again on your first order only. But keep in mind, there's a lot of campaign and promotions currently ongoing on the site. You will be able to save a lot more in comparison to when you were to buy this same thing elsewhere. So hit the link down in the description box, sign up, create an account, start shopping for any G-Shock that you want, and stay tuned for my next review video for this watch.